Good morning, everyone.
Morning, sir.
Have a nice day.
Morning, sir.
How are you?
Morning, sir.
So, very good. So, today we will play a new game. Okay? So, what is the rule of this game? So, yes. तो इस गेम का रूल क्या है? Yes, you have to go there. आपको वहाँ जाना है. Look at there. हाँ. You have to go there. वहाँ आपको जाना है. Turn to the board. बोर्ड की ओर मुड़ जाइए. Turn to the board. बोर्ड की ओर मुड़ जाइए. बोर्ड के ओर मुड़ जाइए. टर्न टू द बोर्ड. यस. सो व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ दिस गेम? इस गेम का रोल क्या है? यू हैव टू गो देयर एंड ब्रिंग. यस यस, ओके ओके. एंड ब्रिंग द लेटर. लेटर लाना विच आई टेल यू टू ब्रिंग. जो मैं तुम्हें बोलूंगा लाने के लिए वो आपको लाना है. ओके देन. एंड यू हैव टू ऑल्सो राइट ऑन द बोर्ड. और बोर्ड में भी आपको लिखना है. ओके देन. तो फास्ट आई वुड आई वुड लाइक टू सेंड अंकुश. अंकुश, गो एंड ब्रिंग द ए लेटर. ब्रिंग द ए लेटर. A letter. Bring. No, no, no. Don't, Preeta. Preeta. No, come. No, let me. Yes. Show me. Okay then. Yes. This is a letter. No. So take the chalk and go to the board. Take the chalk and go to the board and write on the board. Write on the board. Do you have chalk? Yes or no? Do you have chalk? Chalk आपके पास है? You don't have chalk. अच्छा. No. Okay then. No. Here is chalk. Okay, then go. No, take it. Go and write on the board. A. Yes, very good. Everybody clapping for Ankush. Clapping for Ankush. No, it is. Huh? Okay. And it is Preeta. It is Preeta chance. So Preeta, go and bring the K letter. K for kite. Go bring K letter. Go. Yes, K for kite. No, let me. Show me. Wow, very good. Show me K for kite. And no, do you have chalk? Chalk है आपके पास? No. Go write on the board also. Go. Yes, K for kite. Very good. K for cat. Yes, clapping. No, last Sujata. No, you. No, Sujata, bring the Q for queen letter. Go. Q for queen letter. Come fast. Come. So show me. Yes, Q for queen. No, do you have chalk? Yes, so go write on the board. Q. Yes, very good. No, next Ankush, no, bring the B letter. Go Ankush, bring the. Yes, B for ball. No, go. No. Hello, yeah, Preeta, don't go there. He will learn, na. Let him recognize the letter. उसे पहचानने दो खुद. Then he will learn. वो तब सीखेगा ना. I don't know. B for ball. Yes. B for ball. Yes, very good. No, you have to go. You have to go to the board. Board में जाना है and you have to write the B letter on the board. Board में. Do you have chalk? You don't have chalk. तो go write on the board. Yes, very good. Clapping. Yes. No, it is Sujata. No, Sujata, go. L for lion letter. Go bring the lion letter. Go and bring the lion letter. No, show me. Yes, very good. No, Sujata, you have to write. You have to write also on the board. Yes, very good. Clapping. No, it is Preeta. It's a Preeta. Preeta turn. So Preeta, no, you have to N for nest. Bring the N for nest. N for nest. N for nest. No, show me. Yes, N for nest. No, you have to write on the board. No, board में write. Do you have chalk, na? So write on the board. N for nest. N for nest. Yes, very good. Clapping. Everybody clapping. No, it is Ankush turn. Ankush, no, bring the letter C. No, bring the letter C. No, bring the letter C. Bring the letter C. Don't, Preeta. Don't help him. Don't. Yes, very good. C for C letter. No, write on the board. Go and write on the board. No. You have to write it in a proper way. सही तरह से लिखना है. No, write. No. You are writing wrong. No. Wrong लिख रहे हो. You are writing. No. Wrong लिख रहे हो. Writing wrong. No. No. Write. Try to write it again. फिर से कोशिश करो उसे. Try to write it again. No. You are writing wrong. Try to write it again. Oh, hello, Ankush. Don't do. No. At a B लिख रहा. No. C. You have to write C na. Help him. Hello, Preeta. Help him. No, only खाली Preeta. Oh, yeah, wait. Go. Help him. No. Help him. Preeta, help him. No. Let me see. देखने तो मुझे. Let me see. Yes, very good. No, very good. Clapping for Ankush. Clapping for Ankush. Yes, very good. No, next Preeta. Preeta, you have to go. आपको जाना है. No, it is your turn. So you have to go and no. S for snack. No, bring the snack letter. S for snack. S letter. Go. Hurry up. No. Show me. Yes. S for snack. No, you have to write also on the board. No, go. S for snack. No, let me see. Yes, very good. Clapping. Every. Very good. No, Sujata, it is your turn. Sujata, go. You have to. U for umbrella. Umbrella letter. Go. Bring the umbrella letter. No, show me the letter. Yes, U for umbrella. Go and write on the board. Yes, very good. Clapping. No, Ankush. This is Ankush turn. It's Ankush turn. Ankush, go. You have to bring the D letter. D. No. Yes, D for dog. Okay, Ankush. D for dog. D for dog. Ankush, hurry up. Do. Yes. Try to find out. D for dog. I don't come. Bring the letter. I say bring the letter. Yes, D for dog. And write on the board. Go write on the board. Do you have chalk? Chalk है कि नहीं आपके पास? Do you have chalk? No. So hello, Preeta. Yeah, go. Go, I say go and write on the board. Go. Hurry up. D for dog. No. You have to write. You have to write in a right hand. Right hand से लिखना है ना? No, let me see. देखने दो. Yes, D for dog. Very good. Clapping, everybody. Clapping. Yes, clapping. No, Preeta. No, this is Preeta. So, Preeta, you have to. No, R for rabbit. No, bring the rabbit letter. R for rabbit. No, let me see. देखने दो. Yes, very good. R for. No, write on the board. No, go and write on the. Do you have chalk? Yes, very good, very good. Clapping, 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 clapping. No, it is Sujata. Sujata, no. T for tree, T for tiger, and T for tree. Bring the tiger letter. T for tree. Are you? No, show me the letter. Show me the letter. No, show me the letter. Yes, very good. T for tree. Go right on the board. Go right on the board. Yes, very good, very good. Clapping, 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 clapping. No, next. Why, hello, Ankush. Why are you writing? Why are you writing on the floor? Don't write on the floor. No, so, yes, Preeta. Acha, Ankush. Acha, Ankush. No, Ankush, Ankush. Wait. Ankush. E for elephant. E for elephant. Go and bring the E letter. Go. Don't help him. Don't help him. Let him. Yes. No. Yes, very good. E for. No, write on the board. Go right on the board. Go right on the board. No, yes, very good. Everybody clapping. You. Come and stand here. You. Yes, wait. No. Clapping. Everybody clapping. You did very good. You all did very good. Very good.